Are you broke? Because I know I was when I bought those shelves. My friends were like, oh, go to IKEA, it's cheaper, it's cheaper. $300 for a shelf is not cheaper by any means. In fact, it was 30% of my salary at the time. So that's how I came to find those shelves. Those are basically metal and plastic, and I wanted something where I could close the door so I wouldn't have to look at all of my stuff all the time. They come with those little plastic attachments, which are pretty solid, except I broke 2 of them by building this here. And they're super practical, especially I just moved recently, and this thing could fit in a backpack. Look at that. Now, it's not the greatest one by any means, but the fact that you can attach LEDs since they're translucent and have that really cool glow effect. I got those for about 25 bucks when I was in Paris. And personally, I'm more of a futuristic / operating room type of decor kind of guy, or if you want to call it cheap dorm room, frat house type of guy, that works too. So I really like that I can just slap some cheap LEDs, those were like 12 bucks, slap a Wi-Fi controller that was like 15 bucks, and make it smart. Basically, it will work with voice control, with Alexa and stuff like that. And this is the result. The cool thing is that if you don't really like the hot spots, you can see like the brighter, like almost white parts. All you have to do is move the shelf away from the wall and boom, way softer. Keep in mind that those come in a wide variety. There's black ones, white ones, translucent ones, wireframe ones. So I'll do my best to find them for you. If you want to get something similar, make sure you check out my links.